3B. Do's and don'ts. Do's is the plural of do. Do this, do this. Don'ts, don't do this, don't do this. It means what you should and shouldn't do in a particular situation. Discuss. Do you like exploring new places? Do you like visiting new places to learn more about them and find out more about them? Personally, yes, I love that. It's a kind of adventure to me. How does that make you feel? That makes me feel thrilled, excited. The men in the picture are exploring a cave. They are caving. B. Read the text quickly and match the questions A to E with the paragraphs 1 to 5. A. Do you need special training? Do you need to be skilled in something to go caving? B. How did it all start? How did caving start? C. Apart from strong boots, beside strong boots and helmets like this to protect your head, what safety equipment do you need? Okay, to go caving, you need a helmet and strong boots. What else do you need? What equipment? D. Why is caving so popular, so admired by many people? E. What's the most important thing to remember that you shouldn't forget when you go caving? ESM interview. They are dark, not much light, cold, wet, they have the presence of water, and dangerous places, not safe. So why do people explore them? Why? Who better to ask than the country's top caver, Clive Stewart? We have a question that not everybody can answer. Let's go and ask this man, Clive Stewart. He is an experienced caver. What do you think, Clive? Well, up until the late 19th century, a century is 100 years. Up until the late 19th century means not many years before the year 2000. Scientists, people who work in science, explored caves just for study, not for fun. Now, people go caving for fun. In 1889, Edward Alfred Martel used rope, and ladders to climb up and down. Ladder. To go down vertical caves. Vertical caves, caves that go straight up or straight down. Over 100-meter deep. When something is deep, the bottom is far away from the top. Why? Because he liked exploration. That's why he did that. Exploration, noun, explore, verb. When you go to learn, to find out about a place, you go explore because you like exploration. Today, we call these caves potholes. What is the meaning of potholes? It's the name of vertical caves that are over 100-meter deep. And they are the most popular with cavers. Cavers these days, when they go caving, they go to potholes. Caves that are over 100-meter deep, very deep caves. We should match this to which question? To question B. How did caving start? This is how. 2. It's the thrill, the excitement of the unknown, of the things that you don't know, and discovering new places when you find places for the first time ever. Okay, what's the difference between explore and discover? Simple. When you go searching, that is exploring. When you find, that is a discovery. That means you discovered this thing. Sometimes you have to walk through. When you walk through, you go from one side and you get out from the other. Waist-high water. This is waist-high water. This part of the human body is the waist, and it is going up to the waist, this water. Or climb. When you climb, you try to move upwards, usually using your feet and your hands. A slippery rock face. Slippery means it's most likely to make you fall. Rock face, like this. This side is what we call rock face, and it is very slippery. Imagine climbing up this rock face. It's very difficult, very slippery, and you try to climb up. B is silent, not climb, no, climb. And you think, when you are doing these crazy things, climbing up slippery rock face, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? Putting myself in danger. But then you discover a huge underground cave with beautiful rock formations, beautiful shapes of rocks, and it all seems worth it. You think that, okay, all the risk that I've taken is okay because I found something very beautiful. It deserves all the great effort I did. Of course, half the fun is trying to get back out of the cave. That is also very fun. We match this with D. Why is caving so popular? 3. Most caving clubs, caving organizations, have special programs, planned series of events for beginners, people who haven't been caving for so long. They must learn the basic skills, the standards, above ground first. Before they go inside caves, they learn above ground, not inside caves. They aren't allowed to take part otherwise, to join otherwise if they didn't do that. If they didn't learn the basics, they can't go caving. You have to be physically fit. You have to have strong body, healthy body for caving. And the minimum age, the lowest, the youngest age for club members is usually 16. Club members, people who are part of this club, they need to be at least 16 years old. This part answers A. Do you need special training? Yes, you need special training. Never explore caves alone. Don't go by yourself, always in groups with other people, and you mustn't go without an experienced caver, someone who's gone caving many times before. Also, it's a good idea to leave a note of your trip and the time you expect to return, you think to return, with someone. Like a family member, you go to your brother, to your family, and tell them, okay, I am going caving and I think that I will return on that day. Why? Because caving can be very dangerous. Some people go caving and they never return. It's very easy for accidents to happen, for bad things to happen. But rescuing people, saving people is very difficult. Sometimes it is impossible. You can't help your friend. Why? Maybe he gets trapped inside a cave. Heavy machinery can't get inside caves to save your friend, to rescue your friend. So be careful. In this part, we answer E. What's the most important thing to remember? That caves are dangerous. Without light, you are lost. You will never know where you are. You need light. So each person must have a headlamp like this. Do you see Clive Stewart? he is putting on a headlamp and at least one extra light, as well as batteries. Also batteries. You need some strong ropes and a first aid kit. This is a first aid kit. Sometimes people get injured and you will need it. It is necessary too. You don't have to wear special clothing. You don't have to put on special clothes, as long as if what you wear is warm, will keep you warm, because it can be cold inside caves, and waterproof. It will protect you from water. It will not let water get through. C. Apart from strong boots, what else do you need? Now read again if you need to and put T for true or F for false. 1. Scientists started cave exploration in the 19th century. Is that true? Scientists. Well, up until the late 19th century, only scientists explored caves. After this, normal people like you and me started caving. But scientists, in the year 1889, before that, they started cave exploration. So it is false. 2. Cavers enjoy getting into caves more than getting out. That is not true. Half the fun is trying to get back out of the cave. That is half of the fun. 3. You do the first part of the training in a cave? No. When you are a beginner, you start above ground first. That is false. 4. Teenagers under 16, 15, 14 can't go cave exploring. That is true. You need to be at least 16 years old. 5. Only experienced cavers should explore caves alone. Is it okay if you are experienced, like Clive Stewart? Is it okay to go alone? Never explore caves alone. Always in groups. And you need an experienced caver with you. It is false. 6. All members of a group must have more than one light. Yes, it is true. You need a headlamp, that is one source of light, and at least the minimum you should have one extra. 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, that is okay. 7. Special clothes are necessary. No. You should wear something warm and waterproof. That is all that matters. You don't need a special uniform or something. D. Look at the highlighted words in purple. Beginners, the minimum, vertical, and match them with the meanings A to F. What's the meaning of vertical? Vertical caves. Excitement? No. Shapes. Going straight up or down? Yes. Thrill. The excitement. Formations. You will see rock formations and you will feel that what you did was worth it. You will see different shapes of rocks. Beginners must learn the basics. E. People starting to learn. 5. The minimum age, the lowest age. The smallest possible. 6. Waterproof. You must put on waterproof clothes. Waterproof, it will not let water in. E. Discuss. Would you like to start cave exploration? Why? If you say yes, why not? If you say no? Well, after today's reading, no, I do not want to start cave exploration. It's very risky, it's dangerous, it's wet, it's dark. Accidents could happen. Rescuing people, if an accident happen, is very difficult sometimes. Why would I risk my life for exploring cave? I wouldn't do it. Would you do it? I don't know about you, but no about me. It's a lot of trouble and I don't think it's worth it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with friends. I will leave you now with the workbook exercises. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. Goodbye.